All right, y'all. I got on at 9:40 and it was ass. Chop, 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 chop. This candle just stopped a bunch of people out, but I think we can get in some. We have a 10 a.m. Oof. I don't know. Should we still wait till 10 a.m.? I like this wick, and I like this candle, and I like this candle. But again, it's been chop, 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 chop. But it does look like we're going down to this nice order block there. Let's try it. Oof.
Order filled.
I'm actually kind of scared because, yeah, there's a bullish order block, and I should have waited till 10 o'clock. And yeah, this might not be getting posted on. Yeah, this order block here. But yeah, that was a bad trade. Already just being annoying, and I said I was gonna wait till 10 a.m. Literally said I was going to 10 a.m. Broke my rules already, but I have a 1 to 2 now. So there's that. And risking 250 to make 500. We are under the EMAs though, pretty nicely. All right, it's 10 a.m. Oof, almost stopped this out. Oh, close by a tick, y'all. Hopefully it still pushes down for us. That's actually insane if it goes our way. This is why you wait till 10 o'clock, but there's 10 o'clock news, so. That's why I love Ninja Trader, because Trader View, we do that. That would stop this out, but we still could lose. Because like I said, we're in this bullish order block. I want this to come down to this order block, though. So. We'll see.
Stop filled.
There it is. Boom, 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 boom. Alrighty, yeah. Terrible, terrible trade. But let's see if we can get a good opportunity. I just like this reaction at 9:56. And, let's see. And I'm going to break my rule of 2 trades today, but let's see how this candle closes. This 3-minute candle still looks bullish. 1-minute candle looks good. Let's see how this next. So we have 1 minute again in the 3-minute. The 3-minute starting to look bearish. 29 seconds. Let's get it.
Order filled.
All right. Let's see how this one plays out. Lose again, then we lose again. Cool. And then tomorrow we'll get on at 10 and only take 1 trade. Yeah, I could have got in right there. But holding on the EMAs. Nice rejections on the top. Then that's it. We just need a close below this. For me to relax. Bum, bum, bum. Already starting to eval and draw down. Yay. But for real, tomorrow at one trade, we're getting on at 10 a.m. We have the economic calendar. Yeah, we're just in a choppy area, but we had a nice rejection off this. Nice rejection off this. I love entering off a hammer, so below the EMAs, so IFEG this. Everything's looking bearish. 30-minute, you know, these 30-minute bearish blocks that we keep rejecting off of too, but if we keep not pushing down, then I mean, two losses for the day. Come on, IFEG this gap. IFEG it to the bottom side. We close below this gap. We're back in business. We bounce off and respect it. We're out of business. Nice respect. This is why I forgot I don't like recording, because I would be making TikToks right now for TikTok shop, but we'll still make them. All right, we're respecting it, but yeah, we're respecting it nicely now. But let's see if we can disrespect it. There we go. Oop. Yeah, we're respecting it. And are we about to inverse on the 30-minute? Right here. Jeez Louise. Just Chop Nation. Just Chop Nation. Let me put my headphones on so I can watch my movie. Alright, we might get our inversion in 1 minute. Yeah, I like that. I like that candle. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, what is that candle there? That was crazy. And see, I do want to take one trade a day, but I knew I didn't take. I knew that was a bad trade. That first trade before 10 a.m. and then now that I have a 1 to 2, it's not as bad, but I still don't want to take 2 losses. So tomorrow I will be taking one trade and I will be waiting. Hopefully, I don't know. That's the goal there. All right. Now we need a push. I have a trail set at 185, 195. Did we tap into some fair value gap? We did. Let's see if we can at least come to here, you know? But we did tap into a bullish fair value gap on the 3-minute. And let's see if we can come down to here. Will we? The world will never know. That's all I want. Down there. Isn't that order block though I was talking about? Yeah. 50% of that order block. And my target is at 22.38. Ooh, yeah. I don't know. I like that big momentum candle though. There's 17K orders sitting there, so let's see. We should get a nice push off of this. Then I'll really know to use that indicator. Maybe it disrespects it. Because usually my order blocks never get. They always get ran through. So. But there's a lot of orders. 61%. And the rest are resting up here. Because it came straight down to that. And then we get a chotch. Right here. Who knows? We might still get our move to the downside. Still might get our move to the downside. But I don't know. Like I said, 17.5K orders sitting right there. And we hit the 50% of it and immediately bounced. That is, you know. There's still 14K resting below though. Not 14, 4.5K down here. So we'll see. Yeah. We should have waited for this and then got in on this IFEG out of this order block. Let's see if we respect this one. Yep, should listen to the indicator. Now we know. Now we fucking know. The 17 point K? Yeah. Could have bottom ticked that thing. At what? Let's see. At 226, 226, 22267. So yeah, somewhere right there. But we're still holding on, child. In a chop. I think this is 200. Not quite. And we lost.
Stop filled.
Boom. And we lost. And we lost. So it was this right here that we needed. And it's okay. Now I know. Follow this indicator.